Alright, starting to get cold out there. Driver, check this out. If you are a company driver or if you are a independent driver, get you some deer balls, man. Get you some deer balls. In the past couple of weeks since it's been getting colder, I have missed 3 to 4 deers. I've seen truck drivers pulled over from hitting deers. And man, they come out of nowhere. But to protect your truck grill, get you some of those deer balls. God knows I don't want to hit no deer. I dodged one the other day, but it's only so much dodging you can do in a semi and not swerve into another lane where you actually wind up having a collision with another vehicle. These are the ones that I purchased for my truck. And like I said, if you're a company driver, request it, because if you're in the pathway or if you're traveling in an area where there are a lot of deers at, you don't want to wind up hurting yourself nor hurting any four-wheelers on the highway. Check this out. Also, driver, make sure that you have an extra set of rivets. They call universal glad hand seals. In the wintertime, they start to get cracks and they can leak easily, seeping air out of your glad hands. Check this out, and these are what I'm speaking on. The first thing I do is I check my brake line. All 3 lines are very important. I just check my brake line first. I check the rivet, make sure there ain't no cracks in it, make sure there ain't no leaks in it. Then once I place it back on the glad hand holder, I make sure it's in there tight so there'll be no air leaks. Definitely double check the brake line and make sure there's no air leaks. My next line I check is my service line. Definitely check your service line. Make sure there are no leaks, make sure there are no air leaks, make sure there are no cracks. Now put that back up on the glad hand holder. The next line I check is the electrical line. Always check your electrical line. And make sure when you clamp your electrical line in, it has one of those little lips on there so you can make sure it's closed and tight and not gonna come apart once you're rolling. I securely check all of them, check my lines,